So here I am sitting in my driveway, having locked the doors and just about to turn the key and leave for the last time. Heading for the choir tonight and then heading down south way to drop off my windsurfers. As you can see, all my windsurfing gear, the van is absolutely full, but the sun is shining. Here goes. It started and off we go. It's a lovely place to live, but I'll return someday. And I'm off now, actually off to choir. Here we go, just saying cheerio to my wee house. And this is where I'm going to park up tonight. Fantastic. Sun is shining. All is well with the world. This was down near Lendlefoot. That was quite a tight squeeze to get into.
So, couldn't sleep in the big bed up the drop down bed because this is all my windsurfing gear that I'm dropping off today. So I couldn't sleep in this bed.
My pal Donald, who is looking after my windsurfing gear, we had the day together and it was a really nice time. Going for a wee walk. It's Saturday afternoon and I don't know if I can get down here. Heading down to the water, that's Ailsa Craig in the background and loads of seals down this way. I'll go for a wee walk along the beach. Sunday turned out to be a gorgeous day and a lovely sunset. I think this was the Sunday. Also got up early in the Sunday morning and went onto the beach with my guitar and sung happy birthday to a friend who had her 80th birthday on the Sunday. I left Lendlefoot on the Sunday and the chap you see in the background is Willie, who is a retired teacher like myself, and gave him a lift up to Bearsden on my way to Loch Lomond, so that was nice to have some company. I've known Donald for about 40 years and gone down there, so this was a lovely place to start my travels off. Arrived at Loch Lomond on Sunday and got a nice pitch next to the water, and it was just a lovely way to settle in, and got my bike off the rack and went for a wee cycle. So here I am on my first trip out and it's freezing on the bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Good morning. What a nice way to wake up. So here's a wee time lapse of me making my breakfast. It was hilarious. I opened that cupboard, you can't actually see it, but all the spaghetti fell out and I just had to look at it and laugh. A very windy Glen Douglas and the sun is shining. So as you will know, I have bought a drone and this was my first attempt to automatically have it follow me. It should have been down a bit lower so you could see the scenery ahead of me, but it was my first attempt. On the Tuesday, my daughter Amy and her husband Dave came with my crazy wee grandson Edwin, and he loves the beach. And he loves his bike, so I come up with a plan to tow him on a bungee, and he just loved it. So much so that he wanted to pull me, and he was actually pulling me. I wasn't pedaling, and I eventually stopped pedaling and he was able to pull me along. It was a great day on the Tuesday. It's 10 to 7 in the morning. Come and see this. What a lovely morning. It's Thursday and I've just left the campsite. Had a lovely 4 nights at Loch Lomond and now heading back to Largs and staying the night at the marina, and then picking Karen up as she comes back from Australia tomorrow. And had such a fantastic week. Fantastic. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the wee video. I've not actually edited it yet. I've done some of it, but by the time you see this, I will have edited it and I will put it up. So yeah, great first week, really nice and relaxed, and looking forward to some new adventures. So yeah, take care.